These are paste, but the stars were cracked, so they're probably going to change colors at all different times. But here goes.
All right.
That's being made?
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice card.
That broke really hard.
And then we got 312s. They're a little farther back. Almost straight across from us.
It's a beautiful glitter.
That's not what that was supposed to do. Not that.
Well, how did you do that?
No. I have a feeling they're all going to do that.
You hit the shit out of that. You banged the shit out of that one.
Nice nail.
Didn't work quite right either. These were like all leftover stars, so I just threw shells together.
That's
Oh well.
what you're breaking it.
Well, it's mostly I put a little bit of whistle in them. I think I put a little too much.
Yeah, they broke pretty hard.
Yeah, they broke too hard.
And that's what happened in the first of those 12s?
Yeah, the first 12, it was supposed to be a rondelle. Apparently the break was so hard that it broke one of the salutes, and that in turn broke all of the salutes, and made it into one big fucking salute.
Yeah, that was...
That was impressive, I thought. Very unique.
16 will work well because I did make new stars for that. So. But now we got to drive over there and get it. I haven't loaded yet, so they had a 16.
And you got 2 more 12s.
He's got 16 too.
Hey.
Nice little glitter tail. Come on, baby. Come on, Mark. Wow.
Beautiful colors. That was it. It's the tail blowing off. What a shell. Wow. That's a weeping willow for you. What a beautiful shot. Right above the fire pit. That was absolutely gorgeous.
Was that incredible?
Oh, breathtaking.
Flat out incredible.
My compliments to the builder.
Helicopter one.